Previously on Old Yankee Farm, the farm continues to grow, and there's always a new project on the farm. Stay tuned for part 2 of the chicken tractor build. I'm going to use this 3/4 inch PVC, and this is going to make the roof of my chicken tractor. So I'm going to use 7 of them, and you'll see how I do. I'm going to drill into the top boards, so this will fit right into them, and I can loop them back, and then I'll secure them with a screw. Okay, to figure out where the poles go, the PVC poles, I use the same math that I did with the uprights. So if you look, there's 6 spaces. I measured from the end of the first PVC to the last one, and it came to 112, and I divided that by 6, and it came out to around 18.5 inches. So I'm going to have a PVC pole in every 18.5 inches. Now that I got the PVC on, I'm actually going to put the wheels on the tractor so I can make it easier to move it around while I'm working on it. I get these wheels at Tractor Supply. They're about $6–7. And then I get a 6-inch bolt. First I'm going to sister some plywood that I cut 3x4 to where I'm going to install the wheels. And this is just going to give it a little more stability, because when you're moving around, sometimes there's a lot of weight on that end, so I want to make it so it doesn't split the wood. the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the roof with this garden fence. I got about 50 feet here. I don't know if this is going to do the whole thing, but we'll see how far I get. I may have to make another run to the hardware store. Well, I was able to make 3 passes and I got this much left, which isn't really much to do anything. So I'm gonna have to get another roll. This was 50 feet, but it was only like a little over 2 feet. I think it was like 28 inches. So it'd be better off getting like the 3-footers and get like at least 50 feet. But you still have to, I still have to do the ends and then the doorway. So maybe even 75 feet, however they, 50, 100, whatever. Alright, I'm back. I went to the store, got some more wire. It's really hot out here, so I decided I would break out my old Sturbridge Village hat, and it's shading me nice, and it looks pretty good too. So I'm going to reattach the wire, and we're going to go from there. Coming soon, part 3 of the chicken tractor build. We'll be finishing up the tractor and putting it out in the field with birds. See you in the next video.